Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Rizal ang Sarangani 106-77. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Marco Balagtas sa likod na kanang 21 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Nagtala naman si Kamson ng 16 points, Alday 10 points, Pele 8 points, Caballero 3 points, Balagtas 21 points. Nag-ambag naman si Naive ng 12 points, Deves 10 points, Cañete 7 points, Tolentino 6 points, Tixon 6 points, Sirano 5 points, Chamson 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Sarangani, Gozom 19 points, Halyari 12 points, Malyari 8 points, Destacamento 6 points, Alves 4 points. Nag-ambag naman si Brengas ng 11 points, Songa 11 points, Diputado 4 points, Diliano 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Dinaig naman ng Imos ang Quezon City 69-62. Best player of the game si JJ Caspe sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Nagtala naman si Ariar ng 20 points, Acono 5 points, Ong 2 points, Jeve de la Cruz 2 points, Soriano 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Caspe ng 22 points, Sumabat 8 points, Kaunan 4 points, Alatica 3 points, Koga 3 points. Para naman sa natalong Quezon City, Diaz 9 points, Santos 9 points, Ibanez 4 points, Bernabe 4 points, Havillonar 3 points. Nag-ambag naman si Gabriel ng 11 points, Cunanan 7 points, Santa Ana 6 points, Street 4 points, De La Rosa 3 points, Alvarez 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Batangas kontra sa Basilan 74-68. Best player of the game si Levi Hernandez sa likod na kanyang 16 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Nagtala si Mark Neil Cruz ng 10 points, Iset 7 points, Arim 2 points, Porter 0 point, Hernandez 16 points. Nag-ambag naman si De La Verge ng 10 points, Ablaza 8 points, Baloria 8 points, Apinan 6 points, Importante 4 points, Ochea 3 points. Para naman sa natalong Basilan, Alex Cabagnot 16 points, Adrian Santos 11 points, Al Hussaini 2 points, Vernes 0 point, Kaduyak 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Iman Calo ng 13 points, Concepcion 8 points, Navarro 7 points, Tempra 6 points, Publico 3 points, Grimaldo 2 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 27, 2025 nagaganapin sa Alonte Sports Arena. Maglalaban ang Zamboanga at Bulacan alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang San Juan at Mindoro alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang Binyan at Ilagan Isabela alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 26, 2025. Nueva Ecija 4 wins 0 loss, Pampanga 3 wins 0 loss, San Juan 1 wins 0 loss, Pasay 3 wins 1 loss, Pangasinan 3 wins 1 loss, Abra 3 wins 1 loss, Caloocan 2 wins 1 loss, Quezon City 2 wins 2 losses, Ilagan Isabela 2 wins 2 losses, Valenzuela 2 wins 2 losses, Bataan 1 win 3 losses, Manila 1 win 3 losses, Marikina 0 win 4 losses, Bulacan 0 win 4 losses, Pasig 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 26, 2025. Rizal 4 win 0 loss, Quezon Huskers 3 win 0 loss, Imos 3 wins 2 losses, Zamboanga 2 wins 1 loss, Jinsan Warriors 2 wins 1 loss, Batangas 2 wins 2 losses, Basilan 1 win 3 losses, Cebu 1 win 3 losses, Binyan 1 win 3 losses, Mindoro 1 win 3 losses. Sarangani 0 win 5 losses. Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque parehong may 0 win 0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.